Guys, welcome back. This is your boy Jonathan. Today I'm back for another video. Remember yesterday, like I said, I was gonna target the 3,000 to 135. I said that's where I was waiting. That's the level I was waiting to get into. I was gonna buy, and guess what? I did buy, and I made some good profits. Okay, not only on my challenge account and also on my big account. Okay, I got two accounts. One, there's a challenge going on right now. Uh, the challenge is from $300, hopefully to 10,000 and more. All right, so that's the challenge. I'm doing that challenge for myself. Okay, I want to show my skill to myself, not to strangers, but at the same time, I'm documenting it. Okay, so everybody can see it. Yeah, 300 to $10,000. If you want to follow, the steps and everything, it's gonna be on YouTube, right? Everything that I'm doing, when it comes to the challenge and everything else, is on YouTube. However, the profits that I made, all right, the profits that I made from the account challenge is gonna be posted on my Instagram. My Instagram account is Johnny Gates, all right. So, like I said, I bought from 3,335, and I closed my position, several position, not only one. It wasn't one, only several position. I closed it at 3,360. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for a pullback. There has to be a pullback. I'm gonna wait for the pullback. Hopefully, the pullback goes down to $3,330. That's the level I'm looking for. All right, it's it's a support level as well. That's what I'm waiting for. And then once I get the pullback, and then I'm gonna re-enter into the trade again, so it can go up to $3,500. I'm just gonna wait for the pullback and get in it, and then close my profit at $3,500. That's hopefully, that's where I exit the trade. So let's go for the 30 minutes time frame. Let's look closely where I enter the trade. All right, we're gonna look closely. Okay, so there was a little pullback. All right, so gold shoot up from 3,027. That's where it was. I was waiting for a pullback. I remember what I said. If you want to enter a trade, make sure you enter the trade on the 30 minutes time frame, or lower than that, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes time frame. All right, those are the best time frames to enter a trade. And I did enter a trade. The trade, after the pullback. Okay, 3,335. I enter the trade, and then I exit at 3,360. All right, it went all the way to 3,365. However, I did not let myself get greedy. I got out of the trade as soon as it gets to 3,360. And like I said, I'm gonna wait for a pullback, and then we enter the trade again. All right, guys. So that's it for today. All right, so that's my analysis, and the market is closed for today. I'm gonna wait for Sunday afternoon, and then I'm gonna be posting another videos tomorrow. I'm not gonna post a video, but Sunday afternoon I'm gonna post a video before I get into the trade. All right. Thank you very much. Bye. Peace.